Hey guys, this is just a quick thing. I have had the hiccups all day, and no matter what I do, they're still here. Like, they'll go away for periods of 5 or 10 minutes, and then they'll come back. And it's been going on all day, and I don't know why, and they just keep coming back. So, if you have any ideas, help, that'd be great. Oh, and for those of you who have wondered what my hair looks like when it air dries and why I do not let it air dry, this is why this happens. Because I have slightly wavy hair, but you get this little horn, devil horn thing going here. That's it. Hope you guys are all having a great summer. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.